Hello guys, welcome back with me, Cho2025. Today we're going to talk about a simple solution for LTX workflow, a way to solve error when you try to generate prompt using Florence 2 model. Usually a message like this error occurred when executing download and load Florence 2 model, failed to import transformers, models, cohere, configuration cohere, because of the following error, look up to see its traceback. No module name transformers models, cohere, configuration cohere. To fix this, simply open Manager, search for ComfyUI TensorUp. You can install it. Run the node and now it will work. After it download the model, you could reinstall TensorUp to the new version. The Florence will still work. Sorry I can't show you the error message since I can't trigger it anymore. But if you met the error, try doing that. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.